I'll be honest with you, it doesn't look good, and I made probably yesterday a failure, but what to do? We have here double top formed, and it seems like the double top is working out. The price target of this double top, you measured from top to the downside, is a crazy one, because you go down. 1 second, I will show you in a second, because we have here pattern in pattern, as I showed you before. So on one hand, we have here, wait a minute, we will go on the 4 only. So on one hand, we have here symmetrical triangle, which we broke to the upside, and the technical price target is extremely bullish, is here at over 100k, 106k, but we have on the other hand also this rising wedge, which we also broke down, and right now you see the bears fighting against the bulls, and it seems like we're breaking again inside of the symmetrical triangle, which is very, very bad for us, because then we are heading obviously to 92k, and if we're breaking 92k, we are heading down to our price target of this M pattern, which is around 82k. And the interesting part is this ascending broad, this rising wedge, the price target of this rising wedge is also here 89k, so it's exactly below of this symmetrical triangle, which is again very bearish. I mean, we could see it, the stock market open in 4 hours, approximately 4.5 hours, so we could see maybe some pump here, because if we are checking here the long short ratio, where was it here, the long short ratio, we see here in the immediate short term we have here more shorts could get liquidated if we're going to 100k, so 3 billion shorts. On the other hand, not so much longs, only 1.2 billion could get liquidated. But if you're zooming on the 7 days or even on the 30 days, then you know that if they try to liquidate us below 90k, then they're getting 12 billion shorts, 12 billion longs liquidated. And also what we see is, where was it? I have also to check it. Anyways, that what I wanted to show you. 1 second. The volume, because as expected, we didn't came through this volume, which is between 96 and 100k, and it seems we are getting here rejected and falling down to our support 92k, which is not only the support of this of the symmetrical triangle, but also we have here a lot of volume between 92 and 90k. And if we cannot hold it, as I told you, we are going straight here to our price targets at below 88k here, below 88k, probably down to 75k. This is the next big support. If we're zooming out, maybe we see even better where there's support. Yeah, it's around 80k, and below the big supports coming at 69k, the big. So we could see easily drop here down to the 80k area, or even to 69k in the worst case. In the worst case, 69k, this would be the worst case. And again, if someone's saying, this cannot be, bro, it would be only a dump of 30%, which is in the bull market more than usual. It's really not a big deal, but it's a big deal for our positions, because why was I wrong yesterday? I closed a lot of my positions right now, as you see it here, and I closed luckily only one position in loss. Other position, my Kusama position, I closed 25k in loss, but all the other position I closed in good profits. And right now you see here only Chainlink is right now $14,000 in profit, and Pepper I went yesterday $4 million long. You see $4.2 million long I am right now here. Okay, it shows $3.8 million long because I'm $400,000 in a loss. My realized loss is already at 10k, so it's a massive position. But I went yesterday long because not only because the Bitcoin dominance broke down this massive channel, which indicates us that we are already in we are going in massive altcoin season, but we have right now new moon, so we have to surpass this week. And this week we could see here Bitcoin dropping to worst case 69k, but something around 80 and 78k where we have also seen e-gap. We could drop to this area in this week. If this week will just a consolidation around 90k and 99k, this would be the best case, because then we would see also our altcoins pumping, for example like Chainlink, which is going to $21 and the next price tag $29, and I keep it open because this position is right now in nice profits 14k profits. Other positions are in massive losses. NMR and UTK are right now in profits. Anyways, so yeah, what I'm watching right now is how the stock market will open. Probably when the stock market open, we will see even a bigger dump. Unfortunately, bro, I'm watching out that I'm adding to this position to margin, because otherwise my margin which is around $1.6 million will get liquidated, and I don't want this. Yeah. $4 million Pepper long. My price tag for Pepper, why I went long, because we broke out of this bull flag yesterday. You see, with a clear daily candle, we closed above. Right now with this daily candle, we are retesting it, so hopefully we will not close again inside of it, but we could go here to 1.16, or we could go even to 1.4, 1.5, which is very dangerous for my position, because my liquidation price is at 1.4. So I have to watch out for this, but in the big picture, it's still looking nice, because the bull flag price target is around 3.7, and I think we are heading even to something like around 4.5 or 4.7, because this will be 20 billion market cap. And you know why? Because at 20 billion market cap is right now Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu is exactly in front of Pepper, and I'm expecting Pepper to flip Shiba Inu in market cap, which is right now at 70 billion. If the pump starting to be around 20 billion, and I'm expecting to flip it. And the institutions we see also buying heavily Pepper. This is why I'm betting on Pepper so crazy also. It's really, I didn't sleep the night. I had always this alarm ticking, you know, when the prices dropped, and I saw them dropping and I panicked. But what to do? Let's see, bratan. Let's check also the Fear and Greed index. Fear and Greed is at 79, so it's cooling down. It's nice. It could cool down more if Bitcoin is dumping more. I sold many positions right now. I'm watching what is Bitcoin doing. I'm expecting at least to go to 92k or lower. This when I start slowly to buy back. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah.